Before you spend $20,000 on a roof, watch this first. If you're thinking about replacing your roof this year, I want to ask you one favor. Don't hire anyone. Not me, not another roofing company, not until you've watched this video. A roof is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your home. For many families, it's $20, $30, even $40,000. The problem is most homeowners only buy one or two roofs in their lifetime. You're expected to make a huge financial decision in an industry that you probably do not know much about. Honestly, that's not fair. My name is Rich and welcome to Homeowner Roofing Academy. My mission is simple: to help homeowners just like you make confident roofing decisions, whether you hire me or someone else. So if this were my own parents, my brother, or my best friend asking me what they should know before buying a roof, here's exactly what I would tell them. Number one, don't choose the cheapest contractor or the cheapest estimate. But don't automatically choose the most expensive one either. Roofing estimates are almost never apples to apples. One contractor may include upgraded underlayment. Another may replace all the flashing. Another may include a longer workmanship warranty. And another may simply have left things that are really important, left it out. Until you understand exactly what's included, you're not really comparing prices. You're comparing different scopes of work. Number two, don't buy from the contractor you like the most. Buy from the contractor you trust the most. Those are two different things. A great salesperson can be very likable. Trust comes from honesty. Does the contractor educate you? Do they answer your questions clearly? Do they explain why they're recommending something? Or do they pressure you to make a decision today? The best contractors don't just sell roofs. They help homeowners make wise decisions. Number three, ask questions, lots of questions. A good contractor should never make you feel embarrassed for asking questions. In fact, I love homeowners who ask questions because it tells me they're trying to understand, trying to make a wise decision instead of an emotional one. If someone gets annoyed because you're asking questions about your home and your own money, that's worth paying attention to. Number four, don't let fear rush your decision. Sometimes a roof truly does need immediate attention, but many times you have enough time to gather information, compare options, and make the right decision. Pressure should come from the condition of your roof, not from the salesperson sitting at your kitchen table. Number five, verify what you're being told. If a contractor says they're insured, ask to see current certificate of insurance. If your state requires a roofing license, ask for the license number and verify it. Ask who will be actually performing the work. Are they employees? Are they subcontractors? Who is responsible if something goes wrong? These are fair questions, and a trustworthy contractor should be happy to answer them. Never feel awkward about verifying information. You're protecting one of your biggest investments. And finally, remember this: the goal isn't to buy a roof. The goal is to protect your home and your family. The roof is simply the solution. If you stay focused on protecting your home instead of simply buying shingles, you'll make much better decisions. That's exactly why I started Homeowner Roofing Academy. I believe homeowners deserve honest information before they spend thousands of dollars. If these videos help you make a decision, even if you never hire me, never meet me, never see me, then I've accomplished my mission. If that sounds valuable to you, I'd love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm going to answer another question that homeowners ask or should ask before replacing their roof. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and God bless you.